Hello Aqua friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole and today we are going to do these cute little Christmas cookies. Watercolor Christmas cookies with lots of glitter and just a whole lot of fun to do. So for the icing, I decided to add some sparkles to it and have a more festive feel. And how I went about doing these cookies is using actual cookie cutters, as you can see in the photos of these cookies that I took. You can also use stencils, but hey, if you have cookie cutters, why not use them, right? So I'm starting off by wetting each cookie, and the colors that I chose for the gingerbread was burnt sienna, a little bit of quinacridone sienna, and some burnt umber for like the darker parts. And so as you see, I'm just kind of tapping that in there, tapping in those darker colors, especially around the edges where the cookies would, of course, be darker. So I'm just repeating these steps for the next cookie. While one dries, you move on to the next one. I'm always starting off with my burnt sienna and getting that color in, and just to punch up that color a little bit, I absolutely love Danielle Smith's quinacridone sienna. It's a very pretty color. Getting in those darker tones with my burnt umber. And last but not least, doing this little Christmas tree. I'm wetting all those areas and dropping in my colors. Very therapeutic, very easy, total beginner's level. So once everything dries, I am adding some dimension to my cookies by lightening up one side. So you pick which area you want the light to come from in your painting, and I decided that the left side would be best. So I'm lifting some color on the left side of the cookies, and the shadow side is going to be on the right hand side, just so that we ground our cookies onto the scene. I wet the left side where I'm going to be dropping in some sepia and going around that left side of the cookies to add that shadow. And then you're just going to let that dry. Now, unfortunately, I forgot to press record again, but I'm going to explain to you what I did here. I took white gouache and I put my icing on my cookies wherever you'd like. And then I have my dot of glue. So just like when we were kids, you take your glue and you're going to put the glue on top of your white gouache. I decided I was going to use red glitter for parts of this painting. So I'm putting my glue down and sprinkling the glitter. And then just tap it and basically let it dry. Don't waste the glitter. I put it back in my little container. So I used white glitter for most of the painting, but like I said, decided to try the red for a festive look. For even some more fun, you can use gold ink. And you can add some stencil snowflakes or some borders like I'm doing here, but I also did a frame on one of them, and I outlined others, and I also used stencils to add cute little snowflakes in the background. This really gives it a Christmas feel, and they make fantastic cards. So let me know, here's a few examples of how I did my other cards. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you guys next week.